What's up, everybody? Today we're going to show you how to use Mazda Radar Cruise Control. Basically, there's a sensor at the front of the Mazda. It's the Mazda logo, and it's covered in glass. And in there is a radar that shoots out towards the vehicles in front of you and senses where they are in relation to your vehicle. It's very easy to turn on the cruise control. You just hit mode, that turns everything on, and then you click set, and you can set your speed. You can increase the set speed with the plus sign, you can decrease it with the minus. So right now we'll set it to up to 110. So now we're going to pick up speed until we hit 110 kilometers an hour. As we pick up speed towards the vehicle in front of us, the radar is already sensing there's a vehicle there, and it is starting to back off the speed. So now we've dropped down to about 90 kilometers an hour. 86, 85, 84, because of the speed of the vehicle in front of us. It's still recognizing that we're set at 110, but it's backing off in order to keep a safe distance. You can increase or decrease this distance by using the controls on the steering wheel right here, by moving it up or down. So right now, we will move it to all the way up, and that will increase the distance between us and the vehicle in front. So now we're dropping down even further. Now we're down to 81 kilometers an hour to maintain a further distance. So now we're going to change lanes, and our radar has picked up that this avalanche in front of us is now moving at a faster speed. So the accelerator is going to increase, the acceleration is going to increase, and our speed will increase to that of the avalanche. Even though he's not going 110, which is what we're still set at, it's going to increase up to what he's driving at, which is 103, 104 kilometers an hour. Now, if we were to leave this lane and get out from behind him, it's automatically going to increase the speed up to the set speed of 110 because it doesn't see anybody in front of us. If we were to move directly in behind him, the radar is going to pick that up. It's going to slow us down immediately to the speed that he is going at and give us a safe distance. The Mazda Radar Cruise Control also has a stop and go function. So if a vehicle in front of you comes to a complete stop, the Radar Cruise Control will slow you down to a complete stop as well. It's only if rapid braking is required that an audible warning will signal and let the driver know that quicker, more efficient response time is required in order to come to a complete stop. Once the vehicle in front of you leaves and starts off again, all you have to do is tap the accelerator, and the Radar Cruise Control will pick your speed back up to what it was initially set at. Granted, there aren't any other vehicles that are in front of you that are going at a slower speed. So thank you very much for watching this how-to video on the Mazda Radar Cruise Control. For more how-to videos on how to use other particular aspects of your Mazda, please visit us on our YouTube channel. We've got all our how-to videos posted there. And for anything else that you might need Mazda related, please visit us online at parkmazda.ca.
Rolling on from town to town.